Good morning, Eric. This is Vincent Parker here at Tamron Honda in Hoover, and I want to thank you for your online inquiry on the brand new Accord. Now, I wasn't sure exactly which Accord you're interested in, but being Alabama's largest Honda dealership, we have plenty of them to choose from. Now, it is raining outside right now, so I'm just showing you what we're doing on the showroom floor right now. I want to go over some of those great options on the vehicle with you, like your daytime LED running lights that are coming standard across the board on all the Accords. Also, your Honda Sensing package, which is your lane keep assist, lane departure mitigation, forward collision mitigation, and your adaptive cruise control. Now, the Accord comes with so much more that I'd love to go over with you in person. If you will, reach out to me or give me a call at 205-821-7846. And there's one thing I can guarantee you: when you get here to Tamron, you're going to love the way you treat.